Let's go. Pull up, foreign doors, go up, spaceship slide. Wrist on water, whole gang gon' ride. Bad.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Little shorty in the passenger seat. She don't talk much, just throwing up V's.
Hey, if you don't know who I am, just Jared. This is gonna be an abnormal video, but if you don't know why I post, it's just I just post whatever I want because you know it's my YouTube channel and that's what YouTube's for. I want to post a similar video like this. That's when I first got the car, and I want to post a similar video like this. Just because it's just like, I just want to express my creativity. And that's what we're gonna do, and this is what this video is about, so enjoy. So this is my 2011 piece of shit dog shit vehicle, and it is leaking power steering fluid, which that was the first thing I was gonna fix. But to my lovely experience with Subarus, here's another problem. Guess what? The motor's fucked. So now I need a new engine. Maybe not a new engine, but the head gasket is now seeping coolant into that whatever. So I have two choices. Fix that, fix the power steering, now everything's back in order. That could cost $2,000 to $4,000. Or should I just rebuild the car? You should rebuild the car. So today is the day where the Subaru is getting fixed and is going to its home for a little bit. Currently, the car is smoking heavily. What does that mean? That means something is burning off and it's not supposed to. And I'm assuming that's coolant, and I'm assuming it's a head gasket issue because Subarus are notorious for head gasket problems. So we are taking the car to get repairs, and it's going to cost $12,000 because I need a new clutch. New steering rack. I need a few other more things, and it ends up coming to 12 grand, which is absolutely fucking ridiculous. I will never financially recover from this unless financial blessings will occur. Will they? Only time could tell. But right now we are on our way to U-Haul to go grab the U-Haul. Alright, we hooked up. Yee baby, back in the pickup truck. Oh, had to get the truck, make sure I had Apple CarPlay and stuff like that. But we good. I hate every second of this because it's just an expensive experience. I hate all of it. Look at my baby, so sad. So story is, word around the block is my baby's hurt, and it's hurt in many ways where I don't want to admit, but I'm gonna leave it up to the professionals because genuinely I don't want to do it. It's so dark in here. I don't want to do it myself, so I'm just going to take it to the professionals, and then hopefully it won't financially bankrupt me. So I'm going to set y'all up so y'all can just see the experience and see the dumb shit I have to go through. So this is just one of many things, right? Easier than I thought. So now I'm gonna strap it in, make sure she's all in there. We'll get her going.
Subaru's coughing, steam rolling slow. Head gasket blown on the way I go. Pulled to the side under sunset skies. Pop the hood open, watch smoke rise. Now she's sitting in the shop, can't roll tonight, but I still got a six-pack in the stars so bright. Country girl smiling in the shotgun
So the damn
Listen, met this little shorty, I ain't take her too. Thought her best friend was the one, body so mysterious. Puerto Rican flame curve so delirious, but she ain't looking my way, kept it friendly, nothing curious.
I would just need help clearing the bumper leaving, so of course I ran over the strap.
Then I sat with Tina, a little smile through them glasses. Long hair, flowing personality, classic. Didn't think twice, but the vibe got massive. Little by little, girl, you started feeling like magic.
She's ready to go.
Didn't chase you, now I let you chase me. Didn't need pressure, we was moving easy.
That's a world record. Yeah, I've trailered so many cars in my life. It's a world record. It only took 12 minutes. What? This is the current situation. She's up here. I thought I had to be back. No, I had to get over this hump, that's why. But she's up here. U-Haul's ready to go. I didn't expect this one, at least. I didn't expect this one to be on a fucking trailer. But it's a Subaru. The Subaru's gonna do Subaru things. So I've made it to Fast Westchester, and their building is finally complete, and it looks very good. Parked on the side of the building so the car and the trailer would have enough space, of course. And we're gonna unload it right now.
But it's too late now.
So my baby is finally at Fast Westchester, and I am not happy to see it here, but I trust the boys, of course. And look at the lineup right now. Look at the lineup right now. This is absolutely insane. Look at the lineup. You know you're in the right spot. But look over here. What's going on over here? This is absolutely insane. Like, you know you're in the right spot when you see cars like this, but I'm just happy I get a chance to have my baby be completely fixed. Mind you, it inconsistently smokes. I have no idea why. And I think it's a head gasket issue. I had a Hyundai Veloci that had a head gasket issue, and it's the same exact symptoms, except this time the Subaru isn't creating clouds. It's just like smoking a bit and then it stops. Why? No idea. They'll check it out. I hope it's just a bad gasket and not a head gasket. I hope it's a bad gasket to like the lead into the turbo, so maybe like oil burning off into the turbo, and maybe that could be the issue, because that's much cheaper than a head gasket issue. So it's here with the boys. Now it's time to return the truck and get back to real life.